Hello there, math learners! Welcome back to my video. In this video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang commission at types of commission. So, i-explain ko din sa inyo ng simple way at may kasama pang examples. So, without further ado, let's start. So, let's define what is commission. Commission is another form of compensation paid to employees, typically to salespeople, as an incentive or motivation to complete tasks or achieve successful sales that contribute to overall company revenue. The commission is usually calculated as percentage of total sales or extra fixed amount per transaction. So meaning, yung ating commission is yung extra money or bayad na binibigay sa salesperson bilang reward sa pagbebenta nila. Okay? So, kung mas marami kang benta, so meaning to say, mas malaki din yung kinita mo. Okay. So, yung goal natin is to motivate yung employee or employees na magbenta palalo at para kumita din yung company. Okay? So, let's proceed. So, we have here the types of commission. So, we have 5. First, we have here the straight commission. Second, graduated or tiered commission. Third, salary plus commission. Fourth, we have draw against commission. And we have override commission. So, for this video, we will only focus on the first two types of commission, which are the straight commission and graduated or tiered commission. Okay, so let's define what is straight commission. So when we say straight commission, it is computed based on the percentage of total sales with no basic wage. Okay? So meaning, sa straight commission, wala kang basic salary. Tandaan, wala kang basic salary, commission lang talaga. Okay? So, for our formula, we have here commission is equal to total sales times commission rate. Okay? So, yung gagawin mo lang dito is to multiply the total sales and the commission rate. Now, let's have an example. So, for our example, we have Pressy earns a 5% commission on every products she sells. If she sold 550,000 worth of products, how much straight commission will she receive? Okay, so first we need to get the given. Okay, so let's have our given. So first is the given we have here, total sales is equal to 50,000, and then for the commission rate, we have 5%. Okay? So, before computing the straight commission, let's convert first the 5% into decimal form. Okay? So, it will become 0.05. Okay? And then, let's apply the formula. So, we have commission is equal to the total sales, which is 50,000, times 0.05. Okay, so you just have to multiply, and then so the answer is 2,500. So therefore, the straight commission that she will receive in selling the products is 2,500. Now let's have another example. So we have here, a salesperson sells two types of cars, sedan and hatchback. He receives a commission of 2% for each sedan and sold 1% for each hatchback sold. He was able to sell one unit to sedan worth of 1,100,000 pesos and two units of hatchback worth of 650,000 each. How much is his total commission on selling those cars? Okay, so we have two types of sales here because we have two types of cars, and we also have different commission rate. Okay, so let's have our given. Okay, so from our given, we have the commission rate, commission rate for sedan. That is, so the commission rate for sedan is 2%. Okay, so we have here 2%. Then we also have commission rate for hatchback. That is 1%. Okay, so we have 1%. And then we also have the total sales for sedan. We have 1,100,000 pesos. So we have 1,100,000 pesos. And for the total sales for hatchback, we have 650,000. And take note, we have two units. So therefore, we need to multiply 650,000 to 2. Okay, so therefore, we have 650,000 times 2. That is 1,300,000. Okay, so let's also convert the commission rate for sedan. 2% is equivalent to 0.02. And for the commission rate for hatchback, we have 1%, so equivalent to 0.01. So these are our given for our example number 2. So now we can compute for his total commission. Okay, so for the computation, we have total commission is equal to, so for your computation, please multiply separately, okay, for the two cars. Okay, so let's start with sedan. So the total sale for sedan, we have 1,100,000. So we have 1,100,000 for sedan times to its commission rate, which is 0.02 times 0.02. And then we will add it to the total sales of hatchback times to its commission rate. Okay, so therefore we have 1,300,000 times the commission rate of 0.01. Okay? Then, so let's multiply separately. So first, we have 1,100,000 times 0.02, and that is equivalent to 22,000 plus, let's multiply 1,300,000 times 0.01, and that is 13,000. And to get his total commission, we need to add 22,000 plus 13,000, and that will give us 35,000. So therefore, the total commission of the salesperson is 35,000 pesos from selling the two cars. Now this time, let's discuss graduated or retired commission. So this commission is calculated based on the sales bracket, where the rate of commission increases as the sales increases. So this is called tiered system. Okay? So in this case, iba ito sa straight commission. Okay? So dito sa graduated or tiered commission, tumataas yung percent or yung percentage habang lumalaki yung benta mo. So parang level up system siya. Okay, so paano nga ba ito i-compute? Okay, so let's have our example. So for our example, we have Earl, a salesperson, sells appliances and earns 3% on the first 50,000, 4% on the next 50,000, and 5% on any amount beyond 100,000. So if he sold 160,000 pesos worth of appliances, how much is his total commission? So to compute that, we have here the first 50,000. Okay. So for the first 50,000, meron siyang 3% earnings. Okay. So that 3% is equivalent to 0.03. So meaning we multiply it to 0.03. Okay. For the next one, we also have 50,000, and meron naman siyang 4%. So 4% is equivalent to 0.04. Okay. And then for the remaining amount, so we have 60,000. Okay, we have here 60,000 times 5%, that is equivalent to 0.05. Okay? Where did I get 60,000? So, di ba, from the first, we have here 50,000 followed by 50,000. So, that is equivalent to 100,000. So, since he sold 160,000, so therefore, may remaining money pa siya na 60,000, which is this one. Okay? So, now let's multiply. So, we have here 50,000 times 0.03, that is equivalent to, we have 1,500. Next, let's multiply 50,000 times 0.04, that is 2,000. And for the remaining, we have 60,000 times 0.05, that is 3,000. And then all you have to do to get the total commission is to add this 3 here. Okay? So meaning to say, we have total commission is equal to, we have 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 3,000. Then if we're going to add them, 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 3,000, that will give us 6,500. So therefore, Earl, a salesperson, will receive or will earn 6,500 commission from selling appliances worth 160,000 pesos. Okay? So that's all for this video. So I hope may natutunan kayo, and please don't forget to like and subscribe also sa ating channel para mas updated ka sa ating mga bagong video. Okay, don't forget also to comment. Okay, so thank you for watching.